Hi everyone. Today, I'll show you how to shut down your Windows 11 computer using keyboard shortcuts. Let's get started. First, go to the desktop, press the Windows logo key and the D key on your keyboard at the same time. This will minimize all open windows and take you directly to the desktop. If you're already on the desktop, you can skip this step. Next, we need to open the Shutdown Windows dialog box. Press the Alt key and the F4 key together. This will bring up the Shutdown Windows dialog box. In the Shutdown Windows dialog box, make sure that Shutdown is selected. If it's not already selected, use the up or down arrow keys on your keyboard to choose Shutdown from the list of options. Finally, confirm the shutdown by pressing the Enter key on your keyboard. Your Windows 11 computer will now begin the shutdown process. And that's it. That's how to shut down your Windows 11 computer using keyboard shortcuts. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.